So once you have the file downloaded, this is how it will look like in your viewport, and on the left we have asset browser. There are a few ways that you can use to apply these material. One of them is just drag and drop, add your shape. For that, let's take a different shape, maybe a cylinder, make it slightly big. So if I want to add this shape, just pick and drop any material, it just drag and drop, and you have that. Other ways to so in this material section, the material preview is not as per the materials we have here applied on these spheres. For example, the golden one, let's see in the white gold. In here, white gold looks slightly different. So this is just for you to navigate what material you want to pick from here or from here. You can pick it from the spheres as well. Just select your object, select the sphere you want your material from, then press Command L, link material, and you have that white gold applied on your shape. Similarly goes for all the other materials. The black one, why venom, is not visible here, but it's kind of here. So which is this? Why venom? It looks clear. So just select these two. First select your object, select your material you want to borrow from, Command L, again link material. You have the material applied. There's the third method. You can apply any material where you don't have to deal with any of these. Let me open Blender again. So once we have this new shape. Add all the materials by going in File, Append, go to your downloaded file, Materialistic by Azad, Materials, select all, and you can add all these materials. Just click on Append. You have that all those material in your blend file. Now just go to Material tab, go here, all the materials you'll find here. Select, and it's not visible here, go into Material Preview, and you'll be able to see what material is applied. One important thing is that's not a method to apply material, but it is kind of like, let me show you instead. Let's have a UV sphere here, shade smooth. If I apply a material for suppose spider eye, and if my shape is slightly big, the material stretches accordingly. So what if I want this scale on this one? Just press Control, select your object, press Control A, apply scale. So you have the same scale of from the material, existing material to it. Similarly goes with all the materials that we have. And that's it. If you happen to create anything with these materials, feel free to tag me on Instagram. My handle is in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoy this material pack. See you. Bye.